Welcome to the Pfannenberg DHS Series Hybrid Cooling Unit Installation video. Prior to installation and operation of this unit, read the Installation Operation Manual completely. Reference the manual during installation. The power mains should be run. Follow all lockout and tagout procedures. Read the warnings on screen and in the manual. Any electrical work should be undertaken by a qualified electrician. The unit is packaged in an easy-to-remove package sleeve, and it comes with the gasket strips pre-applied. Every unit will come with an accessory pack including the items required to install your unit. The pack includes a parts list, fasteners, eye bolts for lifting, and a Wago plug for electrical connection, condensation tube with hose clamp, and a cutout template. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the cutout template to cut the correct openings and drill the holes for the fasteners in the enclosure. The exact location is determined by your application. The template can be found in your accessory pack or on product pages at pfannenbergusa.com. Step 2. Install the two included threaded rods, also called locator pins. Thread them 1/3 of the way into the top two corner openings. These pins are used to hang the unit on the enclosure to allow installation of the remaining fasteners. Step 3. If you will be using the lifting eye bolts, install them now. Remove the bolts and gasket washers on top of the unit. Screw in the eye bolts until they are snug. Step 4. Hang the unit by aligning the locator pins with the holes on the enclosure. Secure the unit with flat washer and hex head nut on the two locator pins. Step 5. Use remaining washers and bolts to fasten the unit using the remaining mounting holes. Tighten the bolts down until the seal to insulation is compressed to half its thickness, or 12 foot-pounds, or 16.3 Newton meters. Step 6. This is optional. The installation of the condensation overflow hose. Remove all cover screws. Remove cover. Be mindful of the cable connection to the display attached to the cover. Detach cable from display from the connector base with a pair of pliers. Insert provided drain hose through the hole in the bottom of the unit and secure to the condensate drain with the provided hose clamp. Reconnect display and replace the cover and all its screws. Step 7. Prepare to make the electrical connection and door switch connection if using a door switch. Remove the two screws on the panel cover. Then remove the cover of the panel. Step 8. The door contact jumper at X16 comes pre-installed. If using a door switch, a non-powered one should be used. Externally powered door switches are prohibited. When the door contact switch is connected, the motors switch off when the door is opened. For proper operation, the door contact circuit at X16 needs to be closed. Step 9. If using the door switch wire in a door contact switch, remove the jumper from the provided connector at X16 and connect the door contact leads to the 1 and 2 position connection points. The same as the jumper. Insert the Wago into the back of the unit at X16. Step 10. The X12 connector is used to communicate a fault output to an external monitoring system. There are two positions for a fault output of the unit, a normally open and normally closed output. Reference the diagram on screen to make the fault connection. When complete, insert the connector into the panel. If not connecting to an external monitoring system, plug the unconnected X12 into the unit. Step 11. Prepare the connecting power cable. Strip the wires in the connecting power cable. Make the electrical connections to the mating plug according to the circuit diagram. To do this, open the cage clamp terminal on the X50 power connector by inserting a flat screwdriver. Never turn the screwdriver, this will damage the cage clamp terminal. Insert the wire into the mating plug on connector and remove screwdriver. Continue until all wires are connected and secured. Note: 400/460 volt models connect L1 to the selected voltage. See circuit diagram in the manual. Step 12. Plug the X50 power connector into the mains connection port on the control panel. Step 13. Time to turn on the power to the unit. Note that before the unit is powered on, the door switch must be closed for the startup test mode to fully run. Once power is applied to the mains, the unit will power on. The unit will automatically start in operating mode when it is powered on, and the evaporator fan will start at the speed necessary for its parameters at temperature. A low fan speed will run at room temperature. This will trigger all motors, both fans and compressor, to turn on at 100%. The compressor will stay on for 30 seconds. The fans will stay on for 2 minutes after. The display on the outside of the unit will turn on. Check for flashing error codes. If there is an error code, as a first step, refer to the troubleshooting guide in the manual. Step 15. Replace the control panel cover and replace the 2 screws. Congratulations, the installation is complete. If you need more information, find us at pfannenbergusa.com and look for the Service RMA section in the top menu. Or email us at solutions@pfannenbergusa.com. Thank you for watching.